You happy with that?
I'm happy. Penelope. Seriously. She's barking at him. She's got a bone, but she's got her own bone next to her.
Got his own bone.
No, what's so special about that bone? There's one here for you. Okay.
That was a special bone. That was a special bone.
Right there, okay. Is that the good one?
The dogs have their own special bone.
Jeepers. Kids,
Right.
you know.
Just like their daddy, temperamental. I bet that's so tight it won't turn.
Do you think the electric's gonna flow okay if this side is red and this side is pink?
No, they have to be coordinated.
Oh, we might have to paint them or something.
Of course, the last one was purple, so it was way off. It was red, excuse me.
Yeah, because this side is red. See the problem there?
That's a problem.
I have to consult somebody about this. Anybody know a electrical engineer?
Okay, how do you want to route this thing? Because we got a lot of wire hanging here.
You say root it. The root. The root of the cause here.
We have a lot of it there to get rid of.
Yes, we do. Let's see. Well, we just nip it.
We
We got both sides of this and just put it together how we want it.
Well, we can run this one all the way through here. Jump out of the way and just pull this right into here.
Okay.
We can give it some extra length there, a nice even curve, and you're good. We can run this up in there just like that, real easy. Better than having this all hanging down here loose. Kind of stupid. Do you like it that way?
Does that mean I have to pull my tank to plug my hose?
Yeah, but why are you going to pull your hose off? Is there any reason for it? Actually, you don't have to because there's so much length, you just pull it down.
I'm trying to think if there's a reason why I want to plug my hose.
See, the wire's right here. You can see it. It's right here. Because this is
Well, the tank comes down over here and it's tight over it.
You're just going to have to deal with it.
I'm trying to think, is there any reason why I'd want
You're
to plug
going to
my
have
hose?
to deal with it. It's going to be a major issue. I can see it's going to be a major problem. He won't be able to sleep at night anymore.
It's not like, I mean, you've seen how well things went when I pulled the tank last time.
It was
You know,
nice.
it's like,
No problem at all. It's like it fell off.
felt very professional.
Yeah, it just about fell off.
Clean, fast, efficient.
No stink in the shop. Yeah, that was it.
I mean, that's all words that I like to describe that whole process.
That was exactly what everything that it was. We can like it like that. Yeah. That was 100% everything it wasn't. Okay, I took advantage of that zip tie that was over here.
I appreciate you doing that too.
Okay, look at that, we got nice, good. Look, you got wires right down where the coil is now. You only got one wire hanging down, not 15 like you wanted. You're gonna have 3 harnesses before. It only took an extra 2 hours to do it correctly. Okay, I think we should clip this thing back a little bit. We could put a nice little curve in there.
Keisha, we could have saved some time with some electrical
Is this enough of a loop for you?
tape and some of those house wire nuts.
Yeah, I know, I told you about that. You said no, you didn't want to
We
do
could
that.
have just, this video would have been done. We'd been riding this bike tonight.
Oh, well, you would have found something else to work on it. Look how much weight I took off the bike. I took off this much weight.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, what do we got for a tool? Oh, that came off hard.
Professional tool?
Okay, this goes into here, right? Which side are we crimping from? Does it matter? Technically, I don't think it matters. So we're gonna go. Usually the bottom is the harder part on these, so I'm gonna put the chingus down here in the bottom. We're gonna use the big fat one here too.
Ooh.
You might have been in the
Want me
right
stuff in
spot.
there for you?
I'm not even in the right hole yet. But it doesn't matter. It's gonna work. Pulls right off. Give it a good tug. Make sure it stays in there good. You happy with that? I got this on the outside of this wire too, which is where it shouldn't be. Should be on the inside.
Good job.
It should go on the inside of that wire. Like this. Did you hear that pop? That wasn't my finger either. Look at that. That's a professionally done job. We got this extra zip tie here we don't need anymore. What is this for? We're going to use that for something else.
Special.
Here, I'm going to save this for you because I know you want to use it again. There you go, sir. We can put that over here. And all these wires right here. We can zip tie it right here so it's never fall off.
Put it right here so we know where it's
You
at.
can put that right here and it won't move. Okay, how much extra wire you want hanging out for your coil?
A few feet.
Okay, you want to pull up some of this expensive wire, or you want to just cut it off and forget it? You have a lot of access here.
See how it's cold.
The blue and the white are excessively long.
She don't like coming back out now.
How about the blue one?
There she is. Move a little bit for us now. There we go. Teamwork brings dreamwork, guys.
Good, move that time a little.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, slow down. Move one right there. Okay, how about the white one?
I don't have any white hanging out the side.
Oh, that's one we added. Okay, that's not in there. And I need less, I need blue. Give me some blue back.
Alright, take it back.
That's enough, that's enough.
Take it back.
Technically, you don't really need much hanging out that's not already being used, so. Usually I cut these off just long enough to go to your 3 terminals. So about that much is all you really need. But these are kind of long, we don't really need them. Now you want to make sure don't make sure they're cut too short. So when you go like that, make sure you don't cut too much. Oh, should I cut off too much?
Right.
It's all right. I found a piece of shrink. We can put it back together with that. Here you go.
I've got some wire nuts in there. We're in good shape.
We got some wire nuts.
I got wire nuts. I've got electrical tape.
Okay, there you go. Look at all these. Get all these fucking wires hanging out here. We got 4 of them now. We're gonna do all these.
Wish I knew.
Look at that. It's like right there. Okay, what do you got for things?
I got 3 of them down there. It looks like we need 4 of them now, though.
4. These are uninsulated.
What are we gonna do about that?
Put insulation on each one of them.
All right. Okay with that. So you need one more. See?
Unless you want me to gang them up. Technically, the 2 white ones go together. You want me to gang them up?
Yeah. Show enough do.
Of course, that means next time you cut the wire, you're gonna have to cut both.
Maybe I show enough don't. What do you think?
I think it takes a lot less space and with 1 eyelet on each wire instead of 3.
There you go.
But we'd have to go to a bigger eyelet. We have to go to a 16 gauge.
I think we got the power to do that.
Which ones are these? 16 or?
Those are 1416s right there.
Okay, that should be enough. Okay, we need to put some shrink on here before we do it because we won't be able to save it this time.
Show enough.
If we do that again, we won't be able to fix it.
Yeah, I don't wanna. You got shrink over there or no?
Nope.
See or no?
Well, I got this big piece, but I don't know if that'll shrink enough.
Let me see,
Yeah, I don't think it's glued style.
is this big enough? It's probably too small. Probably have to go up one. Oh, I can tell by looking right now. That ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen, buddy. Think about it.
And this terminal's a little on the small side.
I can go up over there if you want.
A good twist
Is
on
this
it.
gonna happen? That's not happening either. It's gonna have to be this quarter.
Looks like the same one you just had.
No, one side's bigger.
It is.
She's so close, but so far away. I don't think that's gonna happen.
Fragment fat wire. Go on. No, it's not
Yeah.
working.
It's gonna have to be this guy.
Okay, let me see it.
Oh man, I always wipe my face. Dirty hands.
Put a nice long piece on there to tell you won't know what color it is. You'll have to guess. Okay, where's that terminal? It's not going to fit. Let me see it. Let go.
There you go.
interracial here. We got one white, one copper. Mixing races of stuff. Look at that, went on there. Now make sure you do not crimp where it's welded together, so flip it around this direction. That right there. That's some shrinky. Shrink, shrink, shrink.
Shrink-a-weenie.
You gotta make sure the shrink doesn't go past where the nut goes, and it'll be hard to get it on. So these you want to shrink right here, because you don't want to pull that way. So keep right here on the end. Yeah, my hand's not getting so hot now. So once this side shrunk down, then you go up the limit. You go up higher. It's in my hand. Okay, I can go upwards like this.
There we go, now she's shrinking.
Yeah, my thumb is shrinking too. Okay, beautiful. All right, so those are tagged together. We didn't want both whites together, didn't we?
I hope so.
Too late now.
Great.
She's warm. Okay, now we got the two easy ones. There's only one of each in those.
All right, and we can use the good glue on that.
Do you have some smaller eyelets for that? We don't need the 16s, we got 18s.
Hi.
Did I fit the coil? Did we need to check to see if you gave me the right one? Oh, it just made it. It's a good thing. That would have been a bad thing if it didn't go in there.
Bad, 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 so bad, 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 bad.
Okay, we'll take a break because we have to find some parts.